JEE Advanced 2018 question. Question is, the activation energy of backward reaction exceed the forward reaction by 2RT. So according to the question, we can write backward reaction equal to forward reaction plus 2RT, right? Then the P exponential factor of forward reaction is 4 times than that of reverse reaction. P exponential factor. Okay. So from the question we can write K equilibrium. What is K equilibrium? It is forward by backward. So if we use Arrhenius equation in both cases, forward and backward reaction, so it will be AF e to the power minus EF divided by RT, and this will be AB e to the power minus EB divided by RT. Okay, so we can write AF by AB e to the power EB minus EF divided by RT. Okay, so in the question it is tell that 4 times means AF P exponential factor, right? AB, this will be 4, so this value is 4 e to the power, now EB minus EF from that equation, okay, equal to 2RT. So e to the power EB minus EF 2RT divided by RT, right? So if it is cancelled out, RT, so 4 e to the power 2, right? Now we know that delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K equilibrium. Okay, so minus in joule, R value is 8.314, temperature is given 300, ln K equilibrium is 4 into E square, ln 4 E square, right? So this value will be minus 8500 joule per mole. So this is the answer. Clear?